Gotta juice it like a watermelon. Gotta juice it like a watermelon. Gotta juice it like a watermelon.
I gotta juice it like a watermelon. Gotta run around town, baby mama yelling. I don't want your seeds from your watermelon. I just wanna split it open, that's what I'ma tell her. Got these group of little.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Trey. I want to welcome you back to my channel and back to another edition of Cooking with Trey. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment below. Now, if you know me, then you know that I love watermelon.
Eat that watermelon, eat that watermelon, eat that watermelon.
Surely is good.
Eat that watermelon, eat that watermelon, eat that watermelon.
Surely is good.
W.
Yeah.
A. T.
Okay.
E-R.
What's next?
Melon.
Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite drinks to make using watermelon. Non-alcoholic. Of course, if you want to add alcohol to this on your own accord, by all means, do so. Not only is this a watermelon drink, this is a frozen watermelon drink. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, he like watermelon, he black. Yeah, I'm black, I like watermelon, but a lot of people like watermelon.
Gotta juice it like a watermelon. Gotta hit it like a watermelon. Gotta juice it like a watermelon.
Now, before I get into making this drink, I want to make you aware of some things that you may or may not know about watermelon, how good it is for you and things that it does for your body. I mean, it's amazing. So check this out and I'll be right back. To make my ultimate watermelon freeze, you're going to need 1 whole watermelon, homemade Kool-Aid, not that pre-made store-bought stuff. For this video, I'm going to be using tropical punch. You're also going to need sweet aloe vera juice and 2 ice trays. Alright, so to start this process, the first thing that I'm going to do is make my Kool-Aid. I'm using tropical punch, crystal water, go ahead and add my Kool-Aid. You can see that sugar to Kool-Aid ratio. Keep stirring until your sugar is almost completely dissolved. Now, right now, this could be considered highly concentrated Kool-Aid. So now that that's right, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my water. Rule number 1, if you can see through the Kool-Aid, you made it wrong. You do want to taste it to make sure that your consistency is just right. That's good. Now the next thing that you're going to need, 2 ice trays. 2 ice trays. Ice tray number 1, you're going to fill that with your Kool-Aid. Alright, that should be good. Ice tray number 2, you're going to fill with your aloe vera juice drink. You can find this at your local farmer's market or even some select Walmarts. The Iberia aloe vera juice drink has a delicious flavor and is also available in strawberry, pineapple, pomegranate, and coconut.
Drinking a glass of aloe juice in the morning can relieve stomach issues like indigestion and constipation. Aloe contains polysaccharides that help boost immunity, detoxify the body, and ward off infections. Aloe also helps inhibit the growth of cancerous cells.
Aloe vera also regulates weight and energy levels, halts inflammation, reduces heart attack risk, treats acne, enhances skin health, ends constipation, lowers high cholesterol, is an awesome immune booster, cures gum disease, and stabilizes blood sugar levels.
Alright, so now that we have our tray of Kool-Aid Tropical Punch and our tray of original aloe vera Iberia juice, we're going to put these in the freezer and let them freeze for a couple of hours until they're solid frozen.
2 hours later.
Alright, so your next step is going to be cutting your watermelon. Now, a factor in this drink being really good or not so good is going to vary in how sweet the watermelon is that you pick.
When selecting your watermelon, be sure to use the knocking test to check for buoyancy. Also, look for a watermelon that is darker green in color and has a bright yellow spot on the bottom.
Now, everybody knows the sweetest part of the watermelon is always the center. Alright, 3 slices, 1, 2, 3. And then, the bottom, I'm gonna curve it around, kind of take the shape of the watermelon. Alright, that's gonna give me some nice squares. Like that. Like that. Take the rest of the watermelon, wrap it up, put it in the refrigerator. Had to give me a piece. Alright, so the aloe vera and the Kool-Aid that I froze earlier is ready. I have the cubes here. I've dumped them into a bowl. I have 6 of each. I have 6 of the aloe vera cubes and 6 of the Kool-Aid cubes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and blend my watermelon down first and get it nice and juicy. Start the process. There we go. Now that this is blended, I'm going to add in my frozen cubes. Make sure you don't splatter this all over yourself. Yeah, that looks good. Put it on icy drink mode for about 60 seconds. Alright, so once it begins to mix freely, you pretty much have all of your ingredients mixed together. Your aloe vera cubes, your Kool-Aid cubes, and the watermelon is nicely blended. Your drink is now ready to consume. For this little presentation, I'm going to use this wine glass.
This is a very simple drink to make. If you try my recipe, please leave a message down in the comments and let me know what you think about it. And for a little garnishment, I am going to use a little spike of parsley. You can use mint leaves if you choose. I know a lot of people use mint leaves, but I like the way this looks better. And I'm going to add my favorite straw. And there you have it. Tre's Ultimate Watermelon Freeze.
Gotta juice it like a watermelon. Gotta juice it like a watermelon. Gotta juice it like a watermelon.
I gotta juice it like a watermelon. Gotta run around town, baby mama yelling. I don't want your seeds from your watermelon. I just wanna split it open, that's what I'ma tell her. Got these group of little bitches, gotta keep them yelling. Find me all up at the crib, getting up Find me all up in the club, make it run a million. I be making chicks flip, got my hustle killing. And ain't nobody gon' stop me, cause I be